Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are resonating with the readings. Do like the channel, do subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be notified as and when I post the readings. So let's see how the day is for you today and what is in store. Okay, 3 of cups. So it's a beautiful day where you will enjoy, and let's see what is this enjoyment about, whether it is work or whether it is personal life. But overall I feel you'll be happy the way things are going, and you will feel at last there is some sort of a change in your daily routine which is making you happy. I also feel you might meet a friend. Maybe it's a new friend, or for some it might be a friend whom you've not met for a lot of days. But overall I feel you will meet someone also who will be helpful in some way. Let's see the next card. Okay, the 5 of cups. So after the 3, the 5 of cups. Maybe end of the day you will feel that wish you had some more time, or you could have enjoyed some more time. But I would suggest that and maybe there is something which you will hear which will put you emotionally down. So don't worry about it. End of the day, whatever happens for a good cause. And instead of worrying about things which could have happened, let's be happy with what all you have achieved throughout the day, and that will actually make you happy. So let's see the last card. It's a day of balance. I feel justice is usually for me a balance. I feel a balanced day. You will end of the day maybe feel upset that the day came to an end, a beautiful day came to an end, but at the same time you will feel that okay, whatever it is, it went well, and there was no ups and downs, and everything was as you planned, and you were happy that things went according to your plan. Today wear the color white, because I feel you need a lot of clarity throughout the day to handle your work and balance your work. So the color will be white. Today, if possible, in the morning, do the Kubera mantra. Start your day with the Kubera mudra, and when you're putting the Kubera mudra, chant some Kubera mantras. You get in Google or in YouTube a lot of Kubera mantras. So chant a Kubera mantra while holding the Kubera mudra in hand, intending that the day goes well. Also in the evening, when you are coming back from your work, or if you're a person who works from home, then for a couple of minutes just go out for a walk, and just look at the moon and thank it for the day to go well, and seek its blessings and energies that the days to come are also equally blessed and energetic. Have a blessed day.